Now you
Yeah.
are. So, okay,
Okay.
how
So
was
let's
your day?
start. Yeah, my day was going well. And how have you been day so far?
Yeah, my day is good.
The first time. So could you please introduce yourself before begin our conversation?
Yeah, as you know, my name is Geeta Chaudhary. I live in Tura, nearby Fatehpur Sikri, and I am married. I have two kids, one daughter and one boy. And if you talk about my education, I completed my 12th class in 2014, and now I learn English, so I enjoying my practice. If you talk about my like a hobby, so I like teaching and sometimes singing and listening song, be watching English content like this. That's all.
Okay. Very lovely introduction.
Yeah, thank you.
So shall I shall I introduce myself?
Yeah, yeah, why
Okay.
not?
So this is Wendy. I'm calling from Jamshedpur, Jharkhand. As far as my education qualification, I have done BA in Political Science honors. Then I have done Bachelor degree of Library Science from IGNOU University. Then I did some hair course, like some professional hair course. So by professional, I'm a hair trainer as well as hair stylist.
Yeah,
And my hobbies are whenever I get leisure time. So I love to listen old songs and dancing also, but it's not possible. Occasionally, I definitely
yeah,
dance.
yeah.
And these days, I'm running my YouTube channel. So yeah, these are my hobby. New hobby you can consider YouTube channel is no, because I want to improve, enhance my English. That is why I opened my YouTube channel, create
You
my
know,
YouTube.
before yesterday, I went my you can say maternal house because there is a function. My brother's wife got a born a baby, so that's why I went there, and
Okay.
I we enjoying like a fire ritual function and dancing, singing, lots of fun. That's why I'm not making any video and not any conversation.
Okay, you must have busy there, no?
Yeah. So today topic is like a present simple tense. We make video present simple tense because there are a very many people ask YouTube when do you start, when are you start, and when do you start English speaking. So that's why we start a one class like a present tense. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Present
Yeah.
simple tense.
Yeah. First class only like a affirmative sentence, not negative and not any other, but only affirmative sentence. Okay. As you know,
Okay.
first will we know
Did
about
you, yeah, did you prepare some anything? Did you write
yeah,
something?
yeah. I write like a 57 sentence only affirmative. So I ask in Hindi, then you translation, try to in translation. Okay.
Yes, yes, yes,
Fir-
definitely.
First, first we know like a rule. What is a rule? So
Mhm.
we are know very well what is this rule. But if any watch beginners,
What happened?
then they know. So we tell. Okay.
Yes. Yeah,
So first,
your picture is not there, no? You are not visible.
yeah.
You're not visible.
Now,
Yes, yes. Yeah, right
okay.
now.
Okay. So first we know rule. Like if you
So let's
okay. Yeah. First, we know about rule, present simple tense. Like if we talk about singular person, then we use s या es. If we talk about plural person, then we first subject and direct action. Okay. If you talk about negative person, then negative sentence, we talk next day. Today
Definitely.
only
Yes.
discuss affirmative
Yes. Yes.
sentence.
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
So, okay, like मैं जाती हूँ.
I go.
या मैं खाती हूँ.
I eat.
मैं खाना खाती हूँ.
I am eating food.
No, no, no. I am eating not. This is a
मैं
continuous
खाना खाती
sentence.
हूँ. Okay. Okay. I eat
Yeah,
food. Yeah.
yeah. मैं शाम को खाना खाती हूँ.
I I usually eat food in evening.
Yeah. I usually, you can say usually or not, no problem. I eat
Yes.
food evening, in evening. Yes. मैं जागती हूँ.
I wake up.
मैं सुबह 6 बजे जागती हूँ.
I wake up at 6 o'clock.
या मैं घूमती हूँ.
I roam.
या मैं शाम को 4 बजे घूमती हूँ.
I walk evening at 6 o'clock.
You can say
4
room.
o'clock.
Yeah.
I roam.
You can say
I roam
yeah.
4 o'clock. Okay.
In evening. In evening.
Okay. I
Yeah.
roam 4 o'clock in evening.
या मैं खाना खाती हूँ.
I eat food.
या मैं सोती हूँ.
I sleep.
मैं पीटती हूँ.
I beat.
मैं बच्चों को पीटती हूँ.
I beat children.
या मैं शाम को बच्चों को पीटती हूँ.
I beat children in
या
evening.
या मैं नहाती हूँ.
I take bath.
या मैं बच्चों को नहलाती हूँ.
I make children's bath. Take bath.
टेक बाथ. आई गिव टेक बाथ फॉर चिल्ड्रन या ऑफ
I
चिल्ड्रन.
okay.
या मैं हंसती हूँ.
I laugh.
या मैं जोरों से हंसती हूँ.
I laugh. I laugh. जोरों से का
लाउडली.
क्या हो? I
लाउडली.
laugh loudly. Yes, I
या
laugh loudly.
तुम धूप में खेलती हो.
You play. You play
इन सनलाइट.
on.
इन सनलाइट. इन
You
सनलाइट.
play. You play in sunlight.
या ये बच्चे धूप में खेलते हैं.
Children's play in sunlight.
या मैं पानी फैलाती हूँ.
I
फैलाना
split
यू कैन
water.
से स्प्रेड. स्प्रेड. फैलाना यू
Spread
कैन
or
से स्प्रेड. या
I
आई
spread
स्प्रेड वाटर.
water.
या मैं कूड़ा फेंकती हूँ.
I throw garbage.
या गार्बेज ट्रैश लिटर यू कैन से एनी. वह खाना फेंकती है.
He throw the food. He throws
या
the food.
थ्रोस फूड एंड यू कैन से स्प्रेड फूड.
Spreads food.
बोथ
Okay.
आर बोथ आर राइट. वह किताब पढ़ती है.
She reads book.
या वह कहानी लिखती है.
She writes story.
या मैं कहानी कहती हूँ.
I tell the story.
या वह कपड़े पहनते हैं.
Uh, they wear clothes.
या वे कपड़े उतारते हैं.
They take off the cloth.
या हम गांव जाते हैं.
We go to village.
या मैं कपड़े सुखाती हूँ.
I dry the clothes.
आई ड्राई द क्लोथ या यू कैन से आई एयर द क्लोथ.
Air the cloth. Okay.
या मैं कपड़े निचोड़ती हूँ.
I squeeze the cloth.
या स्क्यूज एंड यू कैन से रिंग. आई रिंग.
I
डब्ल्यू
wring the
आर आई.
cloth. Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes.
मैं आटा लगाती हूँ.
I make the dough.
I knead the dough. Knead the dough.
I need the dough.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. मैं चावल बनाती हूँ.
I make rice.
Yeah. You can say पकाना, cook and make,
Cook.
both are right.
Mhm.
मैं ऑफिस जाती हूँ.
I go to office.
मैं शाम को ऑफिस जाती हूँ.
I go to office in the evening.
या मैं शाम को 4 बजे ऑफिस जाती हूँ.
I go to office at 4 o'clock in evening.
या मैं काम करती हूँ.
I do work.
या मैं चप्पल पहनती हूँ.
I wear sandals, slipper.
स्लीपर्स. या सैंडल, नॉट सैंडल, यू कैन से स्लीपर.
Slipper.
या मैं किताब पढ़ती हूँ.
I read book.
मैं तुमको छूती हूँ.
Touch you.
आई टच यू. या मैं तुमको हाथ पर छूती हूँ.
I I touch your hand.
आई टच यू योर हैंड.
I teach. I touch you your hand.
या मैं तुमको तुम्हारे हाथ पर छूती हूँ. या मैं खुजली करती हूँ.
I
यू कैन
rub.
ईचिंग.
Itching. Okay.
या आई
Okay.
ईचिंग. मैं खुजली करती हूँ.
I
या
eating.
यह वो सुनाती है.
She listens.
सी टेल्स.
She make.
टेल्स.
She tells. Yeah, okay. She tells.
या वह गाना सुनाती है.
She sing a song.
सी टेल्स अ सॉन्ग. टेल्स अ सॉन्ग. यू कैन
गाना
से
सुनाती
सुनाती है, कहती है. या कहती
है.
है.
She tells
यू
the
कैन.
song.
या मैं कहानी कहती हूँ. मैं कहानी कहती हूँ.
I tell the story.
या तुम पानी भरती हो.
You fill the water.
या यू फिल वाटर. मैं पानी, सॉरी, तुम शीशा देखती हो.
Pardon?
शीशा देखती हो.
Okay. You see the mirror.
या
You see
यू सी.
mirror.
या
Hmm.
या या तुम कंघी करते हो.
You do comb.
या मैं कंघी करती हूँ.
I do comb.
मैं चोटी बनाती हूँ.
I make braid.
या मैं साबुन लगाती हूँ.
I apply soap.
या आई अप्लाई सोप एंड आई यूज सोप.
Hmm.
या
Okay. I use
मैं
soap.
मैं रोटी बनाती हूँ.
I roll chapati. I bake
वो,
chapati.
या वेग चपाती. वो रोटी बनाती है.
She makes chapati.
यू नो, रोटी बनाना, यू मेक चपाती एंड यू बेक चपाती. बेक माने सेकना एंड मेक माने बनाना. सो बोथ आर राइट.
Okay.
या
Okay. She
सो
bakes chapati. Yes.
तुम झाड़ू
Bakes chapati.
लगाते हो. या तुम झाड़ू लगाते हो.
You brooming.
ब्रूमिंग, यू कैन से तुम झाड़ू लगाती हो. यू स्वीप द फ्लोर.
You
स्वीप द
sweep the.
फ्लोर. या मैं पोछा लगाती हूँ. आई मोप द फ्लोर एंड ये मैं झाड़ू लगाती हूँ. यू स्वीप द फ्लोर. तुम किचन साफ करती हो.
You clean the kitchen.
वह किचन साफ करती है.
She cleans the kitchen.
या वह नाक साफ करती है.
She clean her nose.
यू कैन से क्लीन एंड नोज के लिए एक वर्ड होता है. ये कौन से ब्लो. ही
Blow.
ब्लोज योर. या ही ब्लोज हर नोज. वह अपनी
He
नाक साफ
blows.
करती
Okay. She blows her nose.
है. या so I think it's enough for today because
Yes.
any, yeah, affirmative sentence is practice good. And if any beginners watch this video, then understand carefully affirmative, what is affirmative sentence, and what is present indefinite sentence, and clearly they use as या yes. If we talk like a singular person, then वह कंगा करती है तो he comes, and मैं कंगा करती हूँ I come. वह खाना खाती है he eats food. लेकिन we use as, वह खाना खाती है मतलब he eats food. If मैं खाना खाती हूँ I eat food, तो we don't use as. So I think they understand very well in this video if they watch this video. So
Yes, yes.
and
So
we
next time, same affirmative question I will ask to you next time.
yeah, why not?
I
And
will take out some, I will jot down some question, some sentence, and I will ask to you next
you
time.
know this video we will practice next day sometime, and
Yes,
next time then this video that video we use like a negative sentence.
yes, yes. We will
So
practice like that. Yeah.
yeah, because if anyone watch beginners this video and that video, so they understand carefully what is negative sentence and affirmative sentence. Because
Yes.
you, if we practice make both sentence like a affirmative and negative sentence, they confused.
Yeah, one by one we will take. Okay, one by one.
Yeah, yeah, and we will we our practice is good like this video.
Yes, yes. So today you ask a lot of questions. So tomorrow I will ask. Okay,
Yeah,
so we'll make a short video and we will ask to each other and some small topic we will take and we will discuss about that topic. Okay,
yeah,
like
yeah.
today.
Why not? Yeah.
Yes,
Okay, this is a nice video, both with you.
yes, yes. So share your link. Okay, your channel link. Share with me and you
Okay.
subscribe and I'm going to subscribe your channel also and we can take each other. Okay. So this type of video, no,
You
we will
also,
upload. Means
you also
weekly three video. At least weekly three video we will upload. We can upload,
yeah,
no?
yeah.
Yes. So it was a
Okay.
nice conversation with you. I learned so many things from you,
Thank
like a split.
you. Also,
Yeah.
if any sentence we review again and again, then we understand carefully, and you catch power is increased.
Increase, right. Word power increase all, and as well as your concept will be clear, so you can speak better
It's
English.
habitual, this sentence.
Mm.
Your mouth is habitual.
Yes. Main thing
Yeah.
is that. So
Okay.
nice
Bye.
to talk with you. Bye. Tomorrow
Bye.
you take out time, okay, and share. I will